How to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. In this video, I will show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. The first step is to open or launch the Messenger mobile app. You will land on the app's homepage just as you can see here. From there, proceed and tap on the menu option. It is this one here with the hamburger symbol. A side panel with several options appears as you can see here. From those options, make sure you tap on the settings. It is this option that has the gear symbol. This is the settings page of Messenger. On this page, there are several options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Messenger account. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, tap this option named See More in the Accounts Center. Wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Accounts Center where there are options and sections that can help you manage and make changes to your account. From there, go to this section named Account Settings. Under the section, tap this one named Password and Security. You will be taken to this other page where you can do things such as changing your password, but this is not what we are here for today. Come to this section named Security Checks. From there, proceed and tap here where you are logged in. You will then be taken to this other page where you will see a list of all the devices you are logged into. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page. Then tap this option here named Select Devices to log out. Finally, you will land on this page where you will a list of all the devices, and there is a checkbox beside each device name. To log out of all devices, make sure you select this option named Select All. After that, all the devices that you have logged in with will be selected as you can see from here. From there, proceed and tap here, Log Out. You will then be logged out of your account as you can see here. The process is that easy. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices.